Home for me is a place where you feel you belong. My roots mean a lot to me. Mountains, my great-grandparents' memories, the sound of birds, snow and fresh air, all of this collectively makes home for me. Hi, I'm Kangana Ranaut. Welcome to my house in Manali. This dream definitely belongs to the vision, and the vision is Shabnam's entirely, and the kind of passion and the kind of love that she has put in it, it shows. The way she has done it up is amazing, and also there is only one entertainment room in the entire house, so it sort of brings people together. My favorite corner would be the fireplace. I love the smell of cedar. I'm a typical mountain girl. I love reading books around fire. I love to have wine. As a career woman, I never set out with a material goal that I someday want to build a beautiful house. I just always wanted to be the person of my dreams. They say that you can get a person out of mountains, but you can't get mountains out of a person.